welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, you guys, we're doing a Bath and Body Works haul. Obsession with Bath and Body Works. This time around, you guys, I did not purchase any body sprays because I really didn't need any body sprays. So what I did was I just went on ahead and purchased, like, I got several body lotions and I have a few shower gels and so forth. So if you see my collection behind me, you guys, I do have an obsession with Bath and Body Works. And not the only thing that's on here on the back of my shelves. I also have some Victoria's Secrets, but Bath and Body Works is my baby, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the haul. So the first thing I got is the Watermelon Lemonade. That's the first one I have, Watermelon Lemonade. And I'm really, really excited about wearing this fragrance. It sounds, you know, like it's gonna be fruity. But yeah, I got Watermelon Lemonade. And then I got Honolulu Sun, which is a signature collection. And it says the key notes is fresh island coconut, Pacific palms, ocean air accord, sun-drenched citrus, and white sand musk. How nice. Let me see what it said about the watermelon lemonade. It just says fresh watermelon juice mixed with frozen lemon sprinkled with spun sugar. Do y'all know what spun sugar is? I don't know what spun sugar is. But this is the kind, this is like the, what's it called? The keynotes. They give you keynotes for the watermelon lemonade. All right, and then we have cocktail dress. And the cocktail dress is Crystal Peonies, Bright Mountain, Sheer Cedar, and Velvet Musk. And this is also a signature collection. And then I got two of these, and I didn't mean to, you guys. But I got the Waikiki Beach Coconut, and the keynotes for this fragrance are Beach Coconut, Pink Passion Flower, Saltwater Breeze, Fresh Bamboo, Sun Bleached Woods. So I got two of those. All right, let's see. And then I got Tahiti Pink Lily Bamboo. The keynotes for this particular lotion is Wild Lily Petals, Bamboo Leaf, Pink Ginger, Fresh Fig, and Sauna Wood. So that is the Tahiti Pink Lily and Bamboo. And this is Lovely Dreamer. The keynotes for this one is Fluffy Musk, Clean Woods, White Irish, Fresh Bergamot. This is for the Lovely Dreamer. I'm trying to go through our lotions, y'all. Let's see. Then I thought this was just cute. Wrapped in Sugar with Soft Marshmallows. The keynotes, this is a signature collection. It is Coconut Martini, Marshmallow Musk, Soft Amber, and Warm Woods. Nice. This is Wrapped in Sugar, Soft Marshmallow. Okay, the next one I got is Champagne Toast. And the key notes for this one is Pink Champagne, Black Currant, Sparkling Nectarine, and Sugared Musk. So this is the Champagne Toast. Okay. And then I got a little a trail size Pretty as Peach, which is cute. And the writing's too small, so I'm not trying to look and see what the keynotes are. But I got the small travel size Pretty as Peach. Got that one. Now for the body washes. For the body washes, I got the Bourbon Strawberry and Vanilla. It's a signature collection. The keynotes for this is Bourbon Vanilla, Garden Strawberry, Apricot Nectar, Pink Jasmine, and White Oak. Okay. Another shower gel I got was the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. The keynotes for this is Sweet Magnolia, Fresh Clementine, blooming gardenia, sprinkling, sandalwood, and golden honey. So got that one. And I got the cocktail dress in the shower gel. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a winner right here. But I got the cocktail dress in the shower gel. The keynotes on here is still the same. And I also did the same thing. I got the shower gel in the champagne toast. Yep. And yeah. And last but not least, I got pink mango spritzer. And the keynote for this is ice pink mango, white cranberry, fresh pomegranate, and firm balsam. So nice. All right, you guys, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys like my Bath and Body Works haul. You guys, I really, like I said, I have a fetish with Bath and Body Works. I love me some Bath and Body Works. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.